SMLX.X, referred to as the CBOE S&P Small Cap 600 monthly chart. Once again, we had featured this back in the end of April, that we were overbought and that we would have a correction in May, and we have one underway. And what I would say is that these small caps are a great place to be, and small caps is a good barometer of the actual economy. If the economy does bad, then small cap does bad, everything does bad. You want to see small cap doing good. And we have done well with the small cap. We broke the all-time 2007 bull market rally highs before we had the financial collapse down here with one of the greater buying and short covering and stimuluses of all-time histories that have driven these markets to all-time irrational, exuberant highs. So the bull gets very, very greedy, doesn't know when to sell up here. And we're in June, starting Tuesday. Happy Memorial Day, everyone. And we're 94.3% overbought, 93.24 now. We are starting the month of June. That's the first beginning correction of 2011 in here. We had some dip buyers that came in here. We've rallied to the all-time mid-year highs, because we have. And we'll take a look here at bull rallies have to pull back. When bull rallies pull back, there we know all the companies in the small cap. No problem there. We know the leaders there that can be bought, and we'll make great trades back up to the long side once we get the overbought leadership names to pull back, which would pull back again. The leadership will pull back these indexes, and it will create buying opportunities. There are bull and bear cycles. We are in a bull cycle move versus the bear. When they put the bear rate over here to the pullback last year, it took 4 months of consolidation to break it up here to all-time highs. And Bernanke had a lot to do with it with QE2 that's coming off in June. And June is not a good month for the market. The upside is limited. The risk remains that the downside is greater than the upside. It means that you can stay overbought for a period of level. It means that the trade management is finding the most overbought stocks in the small cap. They too will correct. There has never been one of these that do not correct at all. And going clear back over here, when we were buying at the top, and we got to the top in the small cap in 2002. We had a rally up there. They failed. Then we came back and created, when I say failed, they were so exuberant here that they had to pull back before the next big bull run started in that 4-year expansion with a huge collapse. It gave it all its gains up. This is what happens to irrationally exuberant people. They got washed out. Forward looking over the next couple of years, the same thing will happen. And people will be left up here at the top. Right now, we got monthly buy signals. We're overbought on the monthly buy signals. Monthly buy signals only come around every so many years. Once that buy signal started in 2003, it never even got to a monthly sell signal, and we were already headed way down right here by the time it signaled it. We were getting short up here in that because we were so overbought. That time was a little bit different. Small cap has done well in its bull rally. It's overbought. That green line, when it turns over and crosses over that black line, we will come back. We would like to see it come back and test these bullish 10-month moving average at support. So throughout the month of June, we'll be monitoring it on a weekly level. Overbought, June correction, overbought, June correction.